How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments. So right over here, when I go to my marketplace, this works perfectly fine for me. But if it doesn't work, then what you can actually do is, first of all, make sure that you are above 18 years or older. Because you can actually not use Facebook Marketplace if you aren't 18 plus. So how can we check if you've set your account up for 18 plus? Well, you want to click on, you want to go to the settings, to the account center. Then here you want to go to personal details. And here we can see our birthday. Now we can actually edit this as well. But first of all, you just want to make sure that you're actually over 18. So you can actually use the marketplace. The second way is, obviously, this might be obvious, but that your Facebook is actually up to date. So for me it is, but maybe you need the latest update or something and then it will work again. But yeah, so go to your App Store or Play Store and see if it has an update. Now the last option is, if you have this available, what you can do is, for example, go to the marketplace. You can shake your phone. And once you shake your phone, you will get this option right over here called Report Problem. So you can report a problem from that place you are at that moment. Now at the bottom, you can also turn this off. So maybe you've turned this already off before. So if you do not have this when you shake your phone, what you want to do is go to the Help and Support, and then go to Report a Problem. Then you will get this pretty much the same thing. So here we want to continue to report. So you can include this if you want to. I recommend doing that. If you scroll a little bit down, we can see the marketplace, and then here we can see what went wrong. So here should just describe your problem, that you're not able to access this even though you are, for example, over 18 and your app is up to date. Stuff like that. You can even add a screenshot if you want to. And yeah, then just send this and hopefully that will fix it for you. So that is how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you.